Welcome back, boys and girls, and today I want to share with you how I taught my kids the gun safety, how to shoot, and have a great fun doing it. Both of my kids are grown up now, but when they were little, I started them with air guns so they could learn the basics and the safety, and then they moved up to 22 guns, and then they moved up to big guns. By doing this, they learn the safety, and they know the basics of the gun, and also not to flinch when they're shooting. I'll be using Gamo air rifle and Crosman air pistol. And I'm gonna have 10 cups as a target, 6 for the pistol, 4 for the rifle at the longer range. And I'm gonna have 10 sticks holding them up. Now the rules are pretty simple. The muzzle has to be directing downrange at all times. And when you're loading your guns, it has to be in safety, and you can only release the safety when you're ready to shoot. Now, if somebody misses this rule, somebody could call out fault, and that person has to start all over again, losing their time. So right before one starts, he has to start the time stopwatch, and when he's done hitting all the targets, then he could stop the time watch, and then that's how we're gonna time it, and then see who's the fastest. This pistol is 8 shooters, so you could load 6 or 8 depending on your confidence on your shooting. And when you're done shooting, you have to leave the chamber open. And same thing with your rifle. When you're done shooting, you have to leave that open as well. At the beginning, I had the best record. But after playing with my kids, probably about a month or so, they were kicking my ass left and right. And my God, they were so fast, and they were doing this like putting guns into the safety and releasing it was like their second nature. So it really helped them out. For the pistol, we have 6 targets at about 10 yards away. And for the rifle, we have 4 targets that's about 20 plus yards away. And we got 4 of them out there. This is the bench where you get to load your guns. And you could come up right up to this line right here, but you cannot walk into the grass. And you could shoot it anywhere you want, depending on how much time you want to spend. And you could use the tree, or you could just shoot freehand, or you could shoot sitting, whatever you want. Start, safety on. Safety off. Got it. Hit. Hit. I'm out. Safety on. Safety off. Got it. Got it. Got it. Safety on. Chamber open. Safety on. Safety off. I missed it. Safety on. Safety off. Got 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 it. Safety on. Chamber open. Stop. 3 minutes and 7:77. I remember my kids cutting it on the 1 minute. I could never break the 1 minute barrier, but this is what we did. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys could have fun with your kids and teach them how to be safe, and at the same time spend some quality times with your kids. Just to let you know, my kids were not allowed to touch the gun without me being present because air rifle is not a toy. It can be very dangerous and it could cause serious injury. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have. Enjoy your life with what you got, but mostly remember, teach your kids the gun safety first and have some fun with it. See ya.